In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize video in CapCut PC. If you need to make a video smaller in the frame, zoom in on part of a shot, or trim away edges you don't want, CapCut PC gives you a few very simple ways to do it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the 3 easiest methods so you can choose the one that works best for your project. Some are better for quick visual adjustments, while others are ideal when you want more precise control. Let's start with the fastest and most visual option. Click your video clip on the timeline so it's highlighted and active. Once it's selected, look at the central preview player window. You'll see blue corner handles around your video. To make the video smaller, click and drag one of those corner handles inward. To make it larger, drag outward instead. This is a great method when you want to resize by eye and immediately see how it looks on screen. You can also click and drag the center of the video to move it anywhere you want, which is especially useful if you're placing a clip in a corner for a picture-in-picture layout or adjusting the framing after resizing. The second method is better when you want exact sizing. Select your clip on the timeline, then go to the top right panel and open Video, then Basic. Here you'll find the Scale slider. This lets you set a precise size for your clip. For example, reducing the scale to 50% can create a smaller on-screen video, while increasing it to 150% can help you zoom in closer to your subject. Right below that, use Position X and Position Y to place the clip exactly where you want it. This method is especially helpful when you need consistency across multiple clips or want a cleaner, more controlled result. The third method is for cropping away unwanted outer edges. Select your clip on the timeline, then click the crop icon on the toolbar above the timeline, or use Ctrl+C on your keyboard. When the crop tool opens, drag the green bounding box handles inward to remove any unwanted borders or extra areas around the frame. Once you're happy with the crop, click Confirm. This is useful when there's distracting space around the subject or when you want to tighten the composition without manually masking anything. And that's it. Those are the 3 easiest ways to resize a video in CapCut PC. Whether you want to shrink it, enlarge it, reposition it, or crop it cleanly, you're all set. Done.